In today's video, we'll be showing you how the tools and technique you need to safely harvest or reclaim lithium-powered batteries. Check the soldering iron again. Okay, there we go.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Okay. Okay, now that we have gotten, removed some solder on it. You begin to pry so you don't damage the connectors. You hit it again, and we try to pry again. Okay, just pry the second one up now. Now, to make sure it's completely disconnected from the circuit board, we have to use the socket once more again. Turn it a bit, the camera. Okay. To ensure there is no connection between the connectors and the board. We just need to heat it up a little bit. And then suck. Okay. Heat it up again on the other flap, on the other connector, and we suck. Okay. Release now. This is the positive side from the label. This is free right now. So we cross over to the other side.
You showed up for me. What did I do to deserve this kind of love? What did I do to sit at your right hand? What did I do to deserve this kind of love?
Okay guys, so now because there is a double-sided tape in between, so we walk it a little bit left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. It's okay, okay, and then we pull. Okay guys, this is it, one down. The aim was trying not to damage these connectors. Please subscribe, click on the bell notification, comment, like and share this video. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.